Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Charles Lucius and I'm so delighted to have you here. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around images or any object in Photoshop. Let's get right into it. So you're going to click select subject. Alright, now that we have our image selected, we want to expand it, and what we're going to do is come down to select, this time modify, and we're going to expand the selection by 20 pixels. Now we have this. Before you do anything, you're going to click on your text tool or simply click T on your keyboard. Now right click and make workpath. Now let's leave the tolerance at 2.0. Leave the tolerance at 2.0. Now click on any of these dots to create your text. Now I want to leave it at this size, but then as you can see we still have some spaces here, which I'm just going to, what I need to do is to add more text, just random text now. Alright, as you can see now that has been done, and now we are all done, as you can see. So this is how you can wrap text around your images in Photoshop. See